from Narita Airport to Uiao Station fast and easy by Skyliner. From there to our hotel, we used a Go app taxi. (901). Pretty girls belong to the room. The Japanese bus room. The beautiful Sensoji Temple 6 AM. The story of the temple goes back to year 628, when two fishermen pulled the golden statue of Kannon, the goddess of mercy, out of the river Sumida. The future. So I must find the 7-Eleven now. And yeah, very different than Thailand here. You not see many dogs here. I love Thailand here. Sure, but you walk on a zebra, you can't be sure that the car stops. But here definitely the car stops. This is a very good thing, and people follow the law here. I have Tokyo Dome now, and looks amazing having the roller coaster here. So definitely must go when in Tokyo. Yeah, the park, the shopping mall, the roller coaster looks very beautiful. But in fact, the roller coaster remains closed until 7. That's pretty bad because I'm leaving on 8. Ueno Park. See what it is. Tokyo from above. Tokyo Tower. Look like we are in Paris. Hihi ha ha. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. Nice place for going out. And here is, in my opinion, the best Irish pub in Tokyo. Friendly, fast, and very good prices. Yeah. But also the area looks pretty cool. So yeah, but now it's time to go.
After leaving Ordsky Station, cars 4 through 12 will go to the Corfu Terminal with stops at Katsunuma Budokyo, Enzan, Yamanashi-shi and Isawa Onsen. After leaving Ordsky Station, cars 1 through 3 will go to the Kawaguchi Port Terminal with stops at Tsurubunka Daigaku Mae, Shimo Yoshida, Mount Fuji and Fuji-Q Highland. Passengers without a seat reservation or limited access.
Here was supposed to be Mount Fuji, but not today. Yeah, and that's why we're cutting the trees in Germany. Because everybody knows the tree is breathing the CO2 and you get O2. Yeah, exactly. That's why we not cut the tree. But you want to go to the temple to buy something for good luck. Ching ching, young lady. Sorry? Who? Young? Want to drink what? Yeah. Lala Bubu. Ultimative for beef lovers. Yep. Yep. I checked here the menu Mose von so Kobe shop, Kobe restaurant. 100% original Kobe. But there is one 19,000, then it goes up to 54,000, yeah. I mean, can be this is very good, but yeah. But that is a little bit over the limit. Nah? Which one we go? Yeah, you can move. Yeah, I mean, the meat looks amazing. Yeah, last stop and the smallest Irish pub I have ever seen. Very cute. Ah, it's cool. They have Guinness. Oh, and cider. Hey. Yeah, let's go.